Accused in a high-speed chase that ended up killing her 5-year-old has pleaded guilty. Pamela Cabrera faces 10 to 30 years in state prison. Action News Jax told you in April of 2022 when police said she missed a turn and drove into a retention pond. Action News Jax Ben Ryan is live in the studio now. Ben, this stemmed from a police chase you covered the night it happened. She took her daughter, who she did not have custody of.
Yeah, John, I was there and took these pictures that you're seeing behind me right now of the car that was being pulled out of the retention pond right at the interchange of 9B and 95. Now, you're also looking at some video here of when officers were going into that pond trying to find both Cabrera and her daughter. Now, Cabrera was able to get out, but her daughter was trapped inside. At some points, you can hear Cabrera screaming in the distance. We do want to warn you that some of what you might see might be difficult to watch.
The victim's in the passenger side.
The mother, who police said drove into a retention pond, killing her 5-year-old daughter, pleaded guilty on Wednesday.
Vehicle is in the middle of the pond. We're going to enter the water.
Pamela Cabrera pleaded guilty to aggravated manslaughter and other charges. It comes as investigators said she took her daughter, Vanity, who she didn't have custody of, and led police on a high-speed chase.
Her speeds are over 100. I'm at 92. The suspect just threw a knife out the window.
After she didn't make the turn, trying to get off I-95 to 9B East, the car sank to the bottom of the pond. Body camera video shows officers in the water. Investigators said Cabrera held onto a tire and survived, but Vanity was trapped in the front seat and officers couldn't save her.
That's the suspect.
Where's our second person? We don't know. In the car.
Cabrera now faces 10 to 30 years in prison and will be sentenced in March. Court records showed she has a history of mental illness, including schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. And at one point during court process, she was mentally incompetent to face trial, but a reevaluation was done in late last August. Action News Jax law and safety expert Dale Carson, a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with the case, said once she was cleared, it's fair game to pursue the charges.
She couldn't plead guilty if she was not competent. So the fact that she became competent after a period of incompetency allows her to plead guilty. Typically, that's to a structured sentence.
Now, I also learned from these court records here that the estate of Vanity Cabrera, the 5-year-old who died, is suing the mother, Pamela Cabrera, and 4 organizations for negligence. The family says that they could have done more to prevent the tragedy. Cabrera will be sentenced on March 4th. For local coverage you can count on, I'm Ben Ryan, Action News Jax.